everyone, I'm very excited today to share a design team project with you for Crafty Malaika, and Kelly contacted me and asked me if I would like to do a couple of projects using a couple of her digital kits, and they are new kits that she has in her Etsy shop. And so I said, oh yes, I would love to work with her kits. So she has two kits, I think, at the moment, and at the moment she has an Etsy coupon code that you can use in her shop, which you will get 25% off, and you use the code Malaika. So I will pop all the links down below for her Etsy shop. She is also on YouTube as well, and she makes lovely journals. So I'll put the link for her YouTube as well. So this is the first project, and then I'll have another one coming up sort of sometime, probably around June time. So the first kit I used is called Black Ladies, and I've made a hardcover journal which measures 7 by 5, and it has a 1.5 inch spine. And I've done this using a course that I did with Nick the Booksmith. So it has a lovely textured sort of rustic cover, and this has been painted, so it has a nice pearl effect. And on the back I put a couple of pretty lace flowers on there, and on the front I did one of my homemade book plates. So I have some vintage lace and some pretty gold mesh and some lovely netting underneath. So the closure is with some nice seam binding, and this journal has 3 signatures, and the back signature is an envelope which I've actually sewn into the signature, so it's a hidden binding. And we have the piece of fabric on the inside spine, so everything is nice and strong and sturdy. And I've also used some nice scrapbook papers that worked in well with the kit. So on the front here I've just put a little pocket which I've sewn, so there's a couple of little tags there. And then a lot of the kit pages have nice little sentiments. So this one says, expect nothing, appreciate everything. And you also get some envelopes and tags within the kit. So this I've printed out onto a thicker cardstock. You also get some pages that you could write notes that have the lines. So we've just got a mixture of tea-dyed paper and different papers. So this is one of the little tags. And this is a little pocket, just a little tiny mini envelope that I've made from an index card. And we have another pocket here with a little card. This is some note paper. There's also some cream paper, and I've paper clipped a doily and some little pieces of ephemera. It's a book page. I've put some little pieces of washi, this is fabric washi tape, and this is parchment paper. Here I've just made a little double pocket which I've sewn, and we have 2 just nice little tags in the pockets there. Lots of space for journaling. So the cream paper again. And here I've made a little pocket. This is another one of the tags from the kit. This is a little tracing paper pocket, and there's also a pocket behind there that you could pop something in. Another little pocket. And we've got the page there with notes. And this is another lovely page. Then at the top we have a little pocket up here, and that's another one of the little index card envelopes. And this is one of the envelopes. I did use all the envelopes in the kit. That just has a little tag that I've made there. This is another one of the pages. Then we have another envelope here from the kit. And this one's been printed onto cream cardstock. That one says enjoy today. So it's a really nice vibrant kit. You are amazing. We've got a nice little checklist there with hearts. It's a piece of Edith Holden washi, what am I saying? Not Edith Holden, Edith Holden page, book page. Another tag there with a doily, and another little piece of ephemera. And I've made another one of these pockets, and that's another tag from the kit. This is also from the kit, so you've got lots of writing space. And here I took a piece of, this is one of the tags that I've just torn, and I've made a collaged postcard. So I've took the tag and torn it, and then I've done a little piece of collaging at the back with the picture, the digital kit there, and a little tiny frame. And then I've just sewn that all, and you've got some nice piece of space at the back there for writing. This one says, take time to make your soul happy. Couple of little piece of ephemera there, and that's another little envelope from the kit. So we have another little tag there, and this is a couple of sheets. This is like a little monthly planner. This one says, if it costs you your peace, it's too expensive. This is another little pocket. And here I've clipped a paper bag, and in here I've done another one of these collage tags. And again, this is another piece from Kelly's kit, which I've just torn, and I've collaged all sorts of bits at the back, pieces of, this is from a Pitman's shorthand book, and some more text paper. And then I've put "and the story begins" on the back. And this one says, be kind to yourself, then let your kindness fill the world. So I have a little tag there. That's another envelope. And that has one of the tags. Another little pocket at the top.
some more washi. Here I've just made a little pocket with some book page. That's an actual little double sort of pocket there, and I think I left it open, yes, at the back. That's another page from the kit. And then the last section is a big envelope that I've sewn into the spine. And so this just has some extra little goodies inside, which I will definitely fill that up with some more little goodies before I send it out. This one is going to be listed in my Etsy shop. Oh, and I forgot to show you there, I also put the little lace tabs in the top and bottom. So there we go. So please go over and have a look at Kelly's shop, and don't forget, I'll put the links down below, and you'll get 25% off if you use the coupon code Malaika. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.